হেল্ল' ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ ৱেলকাম বেক টু মাই ইউটিউব চেনেল মই অনুৰাগ শৰ্মা আপোনালোক সকলোকে পুনৰবাৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ মোৰ ইউটিউব চেনেলটোলৈ আজি মই আপোনালোকৰ সন্মুখত এটা নতুন ভিডিঅ' লৈ পুনৰ উপস্থিত হৈছোঁ আৰু আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত মই কেইটামান most important MCQs দি দিম অন কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ ফৰ দি ইয়েৰ 2020-21 আৰু এইকেইটা কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ আপোনালোকৰ কেইবাটাও এক্সামৰ কাৰণে কামত আহিব যে APSC কম্বাইণ্ড কম্পিটিটিভ প্ৰিলিমছ এক্সামিনেশ্যন APSC ৰিচাৰ্চ এছিষ্টেণ্ট যোনটো অলৰেডি মানে ট্ৰেণ্ডিঙত আছে গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্ট LDA কপিছ টাইপিছ সেইটো ট্ৰেণ্ডিঙত আছে এইকেইটাৰ অলৰেডি এপ্লিকেশ্যন হৈ গ'ল তো এতিয়া এইকেইটা পৰীক্ষাৰ কাৰণে সকলোৱে ৱেইট কৰি আছে যিসকলে এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ আছে তাৰপিছত আদাৰ আছাম চেণ্ট্ৰেল গভৰ্ণমেণ্টছ এক্সাম তো সেইবিলাকৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হ'ব কাৰণ আমি সকলোৱে দেখি আছোঁ যে APSCয়ে বা অন্যান্য ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ এক্সামছবিলাকত কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছৰ ট্ৰেণ্ডটো সদায় নট অনলি কাৰেণ্ট ইয়েৰ মানে 2021ত যদি এক্সাম হয় 2021টোতো কভাৰ কৰেই লগতে 2020ৰো কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ আহি যায় তো আপোনালোকে কেইবাটাও এক্সাম দিলে গম পালে APSC প্ৰিলিমছো দিছিলে তো তাতো এবাৰ 2021ত এক্সাম হৈছে যিহেতু কিন্তু 2020ৰ কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছো সুধি দিয়া হৈছে কুৱেশ্যনছ সুধি দিয়া হৈছে তাত তো সেইটো কাৰণে মই 2020 আৰু 2021ৰ মেক্সিমাম নাম্বাৰ অফ কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ কভাৰ কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছোঁ আৰু টোটেল কুৱেশ্যনছ 171 মান কুৱেশ্যনছ মই চিলেক্ট কৰি ওলাইছোঁ যোনকেইটা ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় কুৱেশ্যন কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছৰ কাৰণে যিকোনো গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামিনেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে স্পেচিয়েলি APSC CEE প্ৰিলিমছ CC প্ৰিলিমছ তাৰপিছত APSC ৰিচাৰ্চ এছিষ্টেণ্ট গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্ট LDA কপিছ টাইপিষ্ট আৰু আদাৰ ষ্টেট চেণ্ট্ৰেল গভৰ্ণমেণ্টছ এক্সামছ ঠিক আছে তো মই দুটা পাৰ্টত ভাগ কৰিছোঁ এটা হ'ল প্ৰথম আজি যোনটো দিম সেইটো হ'ল পাৰ্ট 1ত মই 100টা কুৱেশ্যন দি দিম আৰু উইথ এনচাৰ্ছ আৰু লগতে নেক্সট পাৰ্টটো যোনটো কাইলৈ মই দিম সেইটো ভিডিঅ' আৰু সেইটো পাৰ্ট 2 সেইটো পাৰ্ট 2টোত আপোনাৰ 71টা কুৱেশ্যনছ থাকিব টোটেল আৰু যিসকলে আজি পাৰ্ট 1টো চাব তো পাৰ্ট 2টো চাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব তো কাইলৈ মই পাৰ্ট 2টো দিম আজি পাৰ্ট 1টো দিম কাৰণ যিহেতু বেছি দীঘল হৈ যাব লেংথি হৈ যাব তো সেইটো কাৰণে মই ভিডিঅ'টো অলপ কমাবলৈ কাৰণে পাৰ্ট 1টো আজি দি আছোঁ কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছৰ ওপৰত আৰু পাৰ্ট 2টো কাইলৈ দিম আৰু বাকীখিনি চিলেবাছো তেনেকৈ একৰ্ডিংলি মই কভাৰ কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম ৰিচাৰ্চ এছিষ্টেণ্ট আৰু গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্টৰ ঠিক আছে তো আহক ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ তো আজিৰটো হ'ল MCQs অন কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ 2020-21 পাৰ্ট 1 APSC CEE প্ৰিলিমছ APSC ৰিচাৰ্চ এছিষ্টেণ্ট গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্ট LDA কপিছ টাইপিছ আদাৰ আছাম চেণ্ট্ৰেল গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট এক্সামছ ঠিক আছে এইকেইটাৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট তো আহক চাওঁ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1 Which state assembly becomes the first in India to pass a resolution demanding to scrap of the Citizenship Amendment Act? আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন A কেৰেলা ঠিক আছে তো কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 2 Which city hosted the Indian Science Congress 2020? আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন C বেংগালুৰু কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 3 Which state passes a bill in its assembly to propose 3 capitals for the state? আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন A অন্ধ্ৰ প্ৰদেশ Question number 4. Which country's president was the chief guest at the Republic Day parade in 2020? Or your correct answer to option C, Brazil. Question number 5. Who wins the Best Actor Award at the 92nd Oscar Academy Awards ceremony? Or your correct answer to option A, Jacqueline Phoenix. Question number 6. Which team wins the ICC Under-19 World Cup in 2020? Or your correct answer to option C, Bangladesh. Question number 7. The Kalapani Lipu Lake territorial dispute was in between India and your correct answer to option B Nepal. Question number 8. Which country is planning to adopt new currency Toman? Your correct answer to option B Iran. Question number 9. Which one app has become the world's fastest app to reach 50 million downloads in just 13 days? Your correct answer to option C Arogya Setu. Question number 10. Which city is declared as the summer capital of Uttarakhand? Your correct answer to option C, Gersey. Question number 11. Who became the first Indian to receive the Richard Dawkins Award? Your correct answer to option D, Javed Akhtar. Question number 12. Which player is nominated by the BCCI for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Awards for 2020? Your correct answer to option A, Rohit Sharma. Question number 13. Which country's parliament has approved new map for the country which claim over the Lepu Lake Pass, Kalapani and Limpiadura that India claims as its own? Your correct answer to option C, Nepal. Question number 14. Which country observed 75th Victory Day to mark the victory in World War II? আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন চি ৰাছিয়া কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 15 What is the name of the vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech International Limited and Indian Council for Medical Research? Or your correct answer to option A, Covaxin. Question number 16. Who is appointed as India's permanent representative to United Nations? Or your correct answer to option B, Indramani Pandey. Question number 17. Which country's president makes constitutional changes to make himself in power till 2036 or your correct answer to option C Russia. Question number 18 who is one become the first Arab nation to send probe to Mars or your correct answer to option A United Arab Emirates. Question number 19 the Mars mission Tianwen-1 was launched by which country or your correct answer to option A China. Question number 20 which country has started production of Oxford COVID-19 vaccine in India or your correct answer to option C Serum Institute. Question number 21. The first ever nuclear reactor of Arab worlds, Barakah, is operated from which city? Or your correct answer to option C, Abu Dhabi. Question number 22. Which one becomes first country in Arab world to produce nuclear energy? Or your correct answer to option A, United Arab Emirates, UAE. Question number 23. Which one company is the owner of the TikTok? Or your correct answer to option A, ByteDance. Question number 24. Who had suppressed MS Dhoni's feat of smashing most sixes as captain in international cricket? Or your correct answer to option B, Yom Morgan. Question number 25. Which state government has decided to develop India's first snow leopard conservation center of India? Or your correct answer to option B, Uttarakhand. Question number 26. Which country will host the T20 World Cup in 2022? Or your correct answer to option D, Australia. Question number 27. Which one become the first country in the world to register a COVID-19 vaccine? Or your correct answer to option C, Russia. Question number 28. What is the name of the first registered COVID-19 vaccine? Or your correct answer to option D, Sputnik 5. Question number 29. Who become the first black woman and the first Asian American woman to be selected as the vice presidential nominee? Or your correct answer to option C, Kamala Harris. Question number 30. After 25 years, the first peace treaty took place between Israel and your correct answer to option A, UAE. Question number 31. In which state the Indian Railways is constructing the world's tallest pier bridge? Or your correct answer to option B, Manipur. Question number 32. Which city is considered as the cleanest city in India under the Swachh Sarvekshan for 2020? Or your correct answer to option D, Indore. Question number 33. Which state is considered as the cleanest state in India under the Swachh Sarvekshan for 2020? Or your correct answer to option D, Chhattisgarh. Question number 34. In which city the longest railway ropeway of India is inaugurated? Or your correct answer to option A, Guwahati. Question number 35. Who became the first pacer in the history of Test cricket to take 600 wickets? Or your correct answer to option C, James Anderson. Question number 36. In 2020, which continent is declared as polio-free by World Health Organization? Or your correct answer to option A, Africa. Question number 37. Who became the first bowler to take 500 T20 wickets? Or your correct answer to option A, Dwayne Bravo. Question number 38. The skill development scheme Mission Karmayogi is for? Or your correct answer to option B, civil servants. Question number 39. Who has become the youngest to win the International Booker Prize? Or your correct answer to option D, Merrick Lucas Rijneveld. Question number 40. Who is conferred with the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2019? Or your correct answer to option A, David Attenborough. Question number 41. Which one become the first Indian company to cross 200 billion in market valuation? Or your correct answer to option B, Reliance Industries. Question number 42. Rafale fighter aircraft have been inducted to the Indian Air Force Dash Squadron Golden Arrows. Or your correct answer to option D, 17. Question number 43. Who becomes the first Bollywood celebrity to voice in Amazon's Alexa? Or your correct answer to option D, Amitabh Bachchan. Question number 44. Who is the only Indian actor to featured in the Time magazine's list of 100 most influential people of 2020? Or your correct answer to option B, Ayushmann Khurrana. Question number 45. Which Indian state won the UN Interagency Task Force Award for its outstanding performance in controlling non-communicable diseases related to Sustainable Development Goals? Or your correct answer to option A, Kerala. Question number 46. Who has broken MS Dhoni's record for the most number of dismissals by a wicketkeeper in T20 internationals? Are your correct answer to option C, Elisa Haley. Question number 47. Who is declared as the winners of the All India Football Federation Footballer of the Year Awards for the 2019-20 season in men's category? Are your correct answer to option D, Gurpreet Singh Sadhu. Question number 48. Who is declared as the winners of the All India Football Federation Footballer of the Year Awards for the 2019-20 session in women's category? Are your correct answer to option A, Sanju Yadav. Question number 49. Which one becomes the first state in the country to undertake over 1 crore tests to screen coronavirus? Are your correct answer to option D, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 50. World's longest highway tunnel, Atal Tunnel, is located in? Are your correct answer to option D, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 51. Harvey J. Elter, Charles M. Rice, and Michael Houghton wins Nobel Prize in? Are your correct answer to option C, medicine. Question number 52. The Nobel Peace Prize for 2020 has been awarded to? Are your correct answer to option B, World Food Program. Question number 53. What is the name of the anti-radiation missile developed by DRDO? Are your correct answer to option C, Rudram. Question number 54. Louis Gulick, who has won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2020 is from? Are your correct answer to option A, USA. Question number 55. Which state government passed a new tree plantation policy under which 80% of the trees that are uprooted for any construction or development projects will be transplanted elsewhere? Are your correct answer to option A, Delhi. Question number 56. Which one state became the first state in the country that have made the public education completely digital? Are your correct answer to option A, Kerala. Question number 57. Who became the first batsman to score hundreds in consecutive matches in Indian Premier League? Are your correct answer to option D, Shekhar Dhawan. Question number 58. As per new rule, the maximum expenditure a candidate can incur for campaigning in Lok Sabha polls is now? Your correct answer to option C, 77 lakhs. Question number 59. Harpreet D.A.D. Singh appointed as the first woman CEO of? Are your correct answer to option A, Air India. Question number 60. Which country appointed Priyanka Radhakrishnan as the first ever Indian origin minister? Are your correct answer to option D, New Zealand. Question number 61. Before Joe Biden, who was the oldest president in American history? Are your correct answer to option B, Ronald Reagan. Question number 62. Which team wins the final of IPL 2020 tournament? Are your correct answer to option A, Mumbai Indians. Question number 63. Which former US president written the book A Promised Land? Are your correct answer to option A, Barack Obama. Question number 64. The Booker Prize for the year 2020 was owned by? Are your correct answer to option A, Douglas Stewart. Question number 65. Alexander Ellis has been appointed as the new Dash High Commissioner to India. Are your correct answer to option B, British. Question number 66. Which state government decided to start world's largest floating solar project by 2023? Are your correct answer to option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 67. Which country recently amends its national anthem to honor indigenous people? Are your correct answer to option A, Australia. Question number 68. Justice Hima Kohli has become the first woman Chief Justice of Desh High Court. Are your correct answer to option A, Telangana. Question number 69. The Indian Meteorological Department inaugurated India's highest meteorological center in? Are your correct answer to option A, Ladakh. Question number 70. India's first national sports university has been launched in? Are your correct answer to option B, Manipur. Question number 71. Which country's president will be the chief guest at India's Republic Day parade on January 26, 2021 after UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson cancelled his visit to India due to COVID-19? Are your correct answer to option D, Suriname. Question number 72. Parakram Divas is observed to celebrate on birth anniversary of? Are your correct answer to option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 73. Joe Biden took oath as the Dash President of the United States of America. Are your correct answer to option C, 46th. Question number 74. Which one country became the first country to receive the India's COVID-19 vaccine? Are your correct answer to option E, Maldives. Question number 75. Who became the first woman fighter pilot to participate in the Republic Day fly past? Are your correct answer to option A, Bhavna Kant. Question number 76. How many rockets has been launched by SpaceX agency on a single rocket? আৰু ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন ডি 143 কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 77 This year, the 2-day G20 summit hosted by which country? Or your correct answer to option A, Italy. Question number 78. Which country has changed its name and logo to Meta Platforms? Which company has changed its name and logo to Meta Platforms? Or your correct answer to option B, Facebook. Question number 79. Agni 5 intercontinental ballistic missile can strike the targets up to the range of. Or your correct answer to option C, 5,000 km. Question number 80. Indian origin Anita Anand has been appointed as the new defense minister of. Or your correct answer to option B, Canada. Question number 81. Which country recently conducted test of an earth circling hypersonic missile? Or your correct answer to option A, China. Question number 82. Who became the first captain in the cricket history to lead 300 matches in the T20 format? Or your correct answer to option A, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Question number 83. Which team won the Indian Premier League Trophy 2021? Or your correct answer to option D, Chennai Super Kings. Question number 84. According to the Henley Passport Index 2021, what is the rank of India in the list the most travel-friendly passports of the world? Question. Your correct answer to option D, 90th. Option D will be the correct answer. Question number 85. Which day is officially recognized as Indigenous Peoples Day in USA by the US President Joe Biden? Or your correct answer to option C, 11th October. Question number 86. Who won the Miss Universe title for 2021? Or your correct answer to option A, Andrew Meza. Question number 87. Which one city hosts the first edition of the Himalayan Film Festival? Or your correct answer to option A, Leh. Question number 88. India's highest electric vehicle charging station was opened at. Or your correct answer to option D, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 89. The United States has topped the overall medal tally in the Tokyo Olympics 2020 with. Your correct answer to option C, 113 medals. Question number 90. Which day will be celebrated as Javelin Throw Day to honor Neeraj Chopra? Or your correct answer to option B, 7th August. Question number 91. This year the Ashok Chakra has been awarded to. Or your correct answer to option A, ASI Baburam. Question number 92. Which one is the first state in India to implement the National Education Policy 2020? Or your correct answer to option C, Karnataka. Question number 93. Which one is declared as the world's safest city in Safe Cities Index 2021 released by the Economist Intelligence Unit? Or your correct answer to option B, Copenhagen. Question number 94. Which country takes part in the bilateral joint combat exercise called Mitra Shakti? Or your correct answer to option D, Sri Lanka. Question number 95. World Ozone Day or the International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer is observed on. Or your correct answer to option C, 16 September. Question number 96. What is the name of the SpaceX first all-civilian space flight mission to orbit Earth? Or your correct answer to option B, Inspiration 4. Question number 97. Question number 97. Who has become the first ever Formula 1 driver to reach 100 wins? Or your correct answer to option B, Lewis Hamilton. Question number 98. Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal in the men's javelin throw event with a throw of. Or your correct answer to option C, 87.58 meter. Question number 99. The wrestler Bajrang Punia won bronze in men's dash freestyle match in Tokyo Olympics. Or your correct answer to option B, 65 kg. Question number 100. How many medals won by India in the Tokyo Olympics 2020? Or your correct answer to option C, 7. So friends, এইখিনিয়ে আছিলে পাৰ্ট 1ৰ কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছৰ MCQs আৰু নেক্সট পাৰ্টটো মই কাইলৈ ভিডিঅ' বনাই দি দিম আপোনালোকক। তো আজিৰ পাৰ্টটো যিসকলে চাব তো সেইটো কাইলৈৰ নেক্সট পাৰ্ট 2টো চাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। আৰু লগতে এটা আকৌ এবাৰ ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিলোঁ, যিসকলে মোৰ চেনেলটো এতিয়াও ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ল'ব আৰু লগতে আপোনালোকৰ যিমানখিনি ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ আৰু চিনাকি এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ আছে মোৰ চেনেলটো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব। মই আগলৈও এনেকুৱা ভিডিঅ' বনাই গৈ থাকিম। আৰু আজিৰ এই MCQৰ স্পেচিয়েল যোনটো ভিডিঅ' বনালোঁ তো সেইটো ভিডিঅ' একচুৱেলি বহুতখিনি মোৰ ছাবস্ক্ৰাইবাৰ্ছ আৰু মোৰ চেনেলত জড়িত থকা এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চৰ ডিমাণ্ড আছিলে যে APSCৰ ৰিচাৰ্চ এছিষ্টেণ্ট আৰু গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্টত আহিবলগীয়া কুৱেশ্যনছবিলাকৰ এটা ছাবজেক্ট ৱাইজ কভাৰ কৰিব বুলি। তো মই MCQছখিনি কভাৰ কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিলোঁ প্ৰথমতে। তো মই MCQছ দি দিলোঁ, মেক্সিমাম নাম্বাৰ অফ MCQছ কভাৰ কৰিলোঁ। আজি 100টা দিলোঁ, কাইলৈ নেক্সট পাৰ্ট 2টোত 71টা আৰু MCQছ আছে সেইটো দি দিম। তো ঠিক আছে, আৰু বাকীখিনি ছাবজেক্টো কভাৰ কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম কেটেগৰী ৱাইজ। ঠিক আছে ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ, তো আজিলৈ ইমানতে বিদায় ল'লোঁ আৰু কাইলৈ আকৌ পুনৰ নতুন ভিডিঅ' এটা লৈ আপোনালোকৰ সন্মুখত উপস্থিত হ'ম ঠিক আছে আকৌ পুনৰ লগ পাম বাই এণ্ড টেক কেয়াৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ ভাৰত মাতা কি জয় জয় আই অসম